Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can prevent WhatsApp from auto downloading images or photos or videos in WhatsApp. So basically what WhatsApp does that if someone posts or if someone shares a video in your group, WhatsApp group, the video will be downloaded automatically and will be stored on your gallery on your inside your phone. So which time your gallery becomes full and your storage gets limited. So you don't want that anymore. You just want to get rid of the auto download feature from WhatsApp. What you need to do is just open your WhatsApp. This works both for Android and iPhone. I'm currently showing on iPhone. So you need to go to your settings here, and after going to settings you will find an option called storage and data. So after finding storage and data, you will find this called media auto download. From here, as you can see, photos, audio, video, documents. So basically what this does that photos will be downloaded using Wi-Fi and cellular data. So audio will be downloaded through Wi-Fi only, video also Wi-Fi, and documents also Wi-Fi. So if you prevent this auto download, if you want to turn this off, the auto download feature, what you need to do, just tap here once and press never. It's you will have to do it for everyone. So let's do it for videos as well. Never, audio also never, and documents also never. So what this will do is will prevent you from downloading automatically. But however, if you open the WhatsApp group, you will still find the photo. You just need to tap on the photo once, then it will start downloading by itself. So that's how you prevent WhatsApp from auto downloading stuffs on your phone.